That's some quarter-size hail at least. Watch out, dude. If it comes in here, we're in trouble. Look at the size of it.
Oh my God, look.
Yeah, that's golf ball. Don't go out there. That'll knock you out.
We gotta show Sam. Go grab one.
Yeah, if it stops. I'm not going out there. One will roll in here. We're going to have holes in our siding. For sure. This is going to be a...
What about your guys'...
Look at that one!
Oh my God! What about your guys'
My car is messed up.
Yeah,
Dan's windows are open.
What?
River coming through the front yard here. Hope my truck didn't get all hail damaged. Crazy. Three and a half ton change out. We fixed this furnace numerous times. Lots of expensive repairs, but he's still got it running here, so maybe it paid off. I'm gonna put a case coil on there and a new short stub on top. Run a new line set. Up and out. Probably go through the last joist there so it's not so hard to bend in. Or we could go under that vacuum. I think probably over is going to be easier. All right, we got the coil in there. It's all sealed up. Just going to cut the hole for the humidifier here. Get that pipe back in. Corey's out there soldering, flowing, and once he's done, I'll strap this up in there underneath that vacuum pipe. Part of the old line set we couldn't get out, stuck up in there, and I'll bring it right through where it was and solder it in. Drain's all done, going good. In this corner, but we're all wired and soldered in on here, and Corey's in there soldering up the inside. These bushes, I had to take out a whole bunch. Done in here, all back together. Let's see. Should be able to turn that on. Crazy rainy day today. No gutters on this house. Scrambling, trying to find something. I can't even believe that tarp is in my truck. And I was able to create a nice little barrier so I can get working on this AC. Because that overhang was just coming down on me. Anyway, got 2 ACs to do today. And now I can finally get working. Well, we got the reclaimer going. And it's raining. Thank God for this tarp. That's all I can say. And I'm still wet. My feet are soaked. It is coming down. It would help if I open the gauges though. Get this bad boy in here and unpackage it. Oh, that thing's tall, huh? Got a little problem there?
Yes,
Okay. Maybe we'll bring that down on the other side of the chimney here and just rebend it and cut it shorter.
On the line set?
Yeah. Oh shit.
We do your video.
Okay. Corey's working on this in here. I think we'll just cut that line set off, bring it down this side of the chimney. And pull that S-slip off, and if you can't bend that up, I think you'll be able to just bend that canvas up once you get that S-slip off and just yank that coil straight out. We put this furnace in when?
19, wasn't it?
That wasn't even a year ago. He's selling the house, he just wants that outdoor unit to look better. This house will sell in 10 minutes when he puts it on the market. Alright, see if we can get this old pad out of here. Sitting all crooked. And, we'll just get the new plastic one set in there, hopefully. All back together. I'm going to chop off that 6-inch a little bit. Change that offset on the chimney for the line set. Worked out real good. Corey's just cutting the charge loose out there. And we're going to fire this baby up. Well, we got her in. Everything looks good. Line set. Flushed and reused. Fixed the insulation here and put a protector on it. On to the afternoon job. We gotta run home, empty out, load up, eat lunch. It's gonna be a late afternoon. We got another 3.5 ton we're putting in here. Threw in an A coil and just made a patch door for it. It looks pretty good. Got a new line set run here, and gonna put this gas back on and solder that in. It's a little crooked there, so I'm gonna grab some rubber and shim up that right side. She's wrapped up. That was a short video. She's got her clover coming in. She's a happy girl.